This is an example of a very cheaply made, very inexpensive air pistol. It's spring powered. It doesn't shoot very well. It never has shot well. And I'm going to use it today for this demonstration. It's certainly the kind of weapon you would never find on Pyramid. As you can see, there's no safety. If I'm cocking, and I haven't set the safety, and I've still got my finger on the trigger, I would cock like this. Now this lever has put compression on the spring in here, and casually putting pressure on the trigger causes the barrel to flip back up. Now let me show you that again. Cocking. Now normally you'd be putting your finger here to put the pellet into the breech. So here I have my finger in the breech, and I accidentally close the trigger, and that closes the barrel and breech assembly very quickly. Here's one example of an inexpensive pistol that is not cheaply made. This is the Crosman 2240. Custom wood grips, add-on Quackenbush steel breech, and 25 caliber barrel. Wonderful.